I've had a few complaining that they're getting too much damage doing these core bases. Simple way of doing them is with dervish, but always hit the bases that are below and to the left of your base, so your air comes in on this side. That's the easiest, because anywhere else you usually get shot as soon as you deploy, but that way you don't. So you target from the top the hunter, but then you go straight to the bottom without stopping. Once you get over the flak, hit F key, it should split, and then that's the base done. It's that simple and quick, and this is totally free repair. Just pop in a base just to prove a point. Start repair. There we go. 59 seconds it was, so it's a free repair. Nice and easy. Hope that helps some of you.